My beloved ones, today I will take you to the practice of a tantric meditation which is based on the visualization of light on the chakras of your spine. Your whole body is rooted in your spine and it is the base of the body and the mind both. If your spine is alive, flexible and young, you will always remain young and your mind will be very sharp and brilliant. That is why the whole science of yoga and the tantric wisdom happens to be a sincere effort to ensure the upward movement of your life energy from the sex center to the uppermost chakra, the Sahasrara chakra. It is only after this upward movement is ensured that the miseries and sufferings of life may come to an end. Now I would like to explain you the whole process and the principles involved in this meditation, and then I will take you to the practice of this meditation. The first important thing to be noted is that your life energy moves with the imagination. Your sex center starts functioning only with the imaginations of your mind, and therefore you can make your life energy move only with the power of your feeling and imagination. The stronger the feeling and stronger the imagination, you will find that equally stronger becomes the movement of energy. The second thing to be noted is that we shall be using only 5 chakras of your spine for the practice of this meditation. Lord Shiva says to Parvati, close your eyes and imagine that your life energy is in the form of light and your sex center has become a source of light. Imagine and feel it with such intensity that your Mooladhara center starts feeling a little hot, and then you visualize that the rays of light are moving in the form of a river from the sex center upwards towards the navel center. Slowly and slowly you will feel and find that the rays of light is reaching the navel center. Now the rays of light are collecting at the navel center and your whole navel center has become a source of light. You have started feeling the warmth of the light at the navel center. Stay for a while and then start visualizing that the river of light is proceeding towards the heart. It is moving slowly and slowly, and start feeling and imagining that the rays of light have started collecting at the heart, and the heart center is becoming a source of light. Here you will feel a little warmth at the heart. You will find that your heartbeat had changed. You will find that you have started breathing deeply, very deeply. You will start feeling a strange freshness, a strange flush of energy at the heart. Stay for a while. And now feel that the river of the rays of light is proceeding towards the Agya Chakra. The river of light is reaching on the midpoint between the eyebrows and the forehead. You start feeling that the rays of light are collecting on the Agya Chakra on the midpoint between the eyebrows. Now you are feeling the warmth of the light at the Agya Chakra. Stay for a while. Feel the presence of the rays of light with total intensity of feelings and imagination. And now imagine and feel with total intensity that the river of light is proceeding towards the Sahasrara. Now feel and imagine that the flood of light is collecting on the top of the head. And now imagine with intensity of feelings that the Sahasrara is blooming like a lotus of rays of light, and your life energy is being released from the Sahasrara into the cosmos in the form of the rays of light. It is a very powerful point, and now you are totally into an orgasm with the ultimate. When there is a release of energy from the sex center, you are an orgasm with the Prakriti, the earth. When it is release of life energy through the Sahasrara, then it is an orgasm with the divine, with the ultimate, and that is a state when you achieve enlightenment. Now your energies have become one with the cosmic energy. Finally, the success of this Kriya depends totally on the power of your imagination and the intensity of your feelings. So in every case you have to develop your power of imagination and the intensity of your feelings. Otherwise, it will remain only a simple exercise for you without giving you any substantial results. I have seen people coming to me, they come with the complaint that they have tried but they have not been able to get any substantial results. And the simple reason is their feelings have gone dead. Their imaginations have become totally powerless. They simply intellectualize the whole process of feeling. They think that they are feeling, whereas actually they do not feel at all. Therefore, the power of imagination and the intensity of feeling are the key factors which must be taken into account and must be sincerely developed. And you see, the power of imagination and the intensity of feeling is the most important feature of a powerful life and living. You will miss the most beautiful dimensions of your life because of the lack of imagination and because of the lack of intensity of your feelings. How they can be developed, for this I will take another session, another class. But please do keep it in mind. Hope you have understood the whole process and the principles involved in this Kriya. Now I will take you to the practice of this meditation. So as I told you, it is a morning time meditation while you are lying on the bed and just immediately before waking up. So if you are in a position, it would be better if you lie down on the bed and just close your eyes. With eyes closed, take your attention to the sex center, the Mooladhara chakra. And now imagine with intensity of feelings that your life energy is collecting there in the form of rays of light. Rays of light gathering there, and you are feeling the warmth at the sex center. Now you have to imagine and feel intensely that rays of light have taken the form of a river. And now a river of light is proceeding towards the navel center. Slowly, slowly, it is moving towards the navel center. And now it has reached the navel center. Your navel center is getting slightly warmer, and this navel center has become a source of intense light. The rays of light have gathered there, and now imagine and feel with intensity that the river of light is moving towards the heart center. Slowly, slowly, the river of light is moving towards the heart center. Now the heart center is filled with rays of light. Imagine that with total intensity you are feeling the warmth of light at the heart center. And now you will find that your heartbeat has changed. You will find that your breathing has become deeper and deeper. You are feeling a strange freshness, a flush of energy being felt at the heart. Now imagine and feel with intensity that your heart center has become a source of light. And now the river of light is moving towards the Agya chakra on the midpoint between the eyebrows. And now imagine and feel with intensity that the river of light has reached the forehead and the midpoint between the eyebrows. Feel the warmth of the rays of light on the forehead, and now imagine with intensity that your forehead has become the source of light. Now imagine that the river of light is proceeding towards the Sahasrara, the crown chakra. The top of the head is becoming filled with rays of light. And now imagine and experience an openness at the crown chakra. Imagine and feel with intensity that the petals of lotus are rising into the cosmos in the form of rays of light. 1,000 petaled lotus is blooming and it's opening in the form of rays of light into the cosmos. Now your life energy is being released into the cosmos in the form of rays of light. This is the greatest experience of your life. Now your life energy is in an orgasm with the ultimate. Your life energy is in an orgasm with the divine. This is the state of Mahamudra. Your life energy is becoming one with the cosmic energy. Your life energy is vibrating with the energy of this universe. Now you are in a state of oneness with the Supreme. You are experiencing the state of Aham Brahmasmi. You are filled with great, unending, everlasting joy. It is the state of ultimate bliss. You have transcended all the dualities of life and experiencing the state of oneness. Remain in this state for some time. Now slowly and gently let your eyes open. Thank you.